Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of LinkedIn and you will enter here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.